Runner goes. That one's drilled deep to left. There it goes. See ya. A long home run for Stanton. His first one in the Bronx. Driven deep to left field. Cabrera turns, looks. See ya. A long home run into the left field bleachers from Matt Holliday.
Mitchell's delivery to him, and he wraps it way back. Left field, got all of it. And goodbye, the grand salami.
Don't make contact.
Urshela skies that deep to left field. Peterson looking up. That is a massive bomb.
How that all plays out in the end. That's a high drive to center field. Way back into center, and he does it again.
2-0 to Judge. Hit a bunch to left. He did it again. Oh my!
Behind the plate tonight.
2-2 delivery on the way, and that one in the air to center field. Hit well. Ellsbury going back. Ellsbury looking way back, and goodbye home run.
Here for the first time.
So much different.
There it goes. See ya. A two-run home run. What a shot. Yankees lead. There it goes. Deep to left. Really deep. See ya. Oh my goodness, what a shot by Aaron Judge.
High drive, deep left field. He's done it again. No doubt or no